Today I am going to show you how to delete Facebook account permanently. So start it. First of all, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. So today, any problem today, I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook account permanently. So first of all, click on the Facebook and check your account. You will delete. So click and check your account. You will delete now and click on your account. You should know you will delete this account. So click on your three dots line and options line settings and scroll bar and check help and sports. So help, click on help center. Click on help center and after it all, so wait some time and search and delete. As delete permanently. Sorry, first I wrong thing. Click here and search permanently delete my account and you should know. So click here and so down and click let's have know. So check your information about delete your account, deactivate account and download information, deactivate your account, delete account. Click on delete account. So some password, enter please password, enter my password and click continue delete account. So click here and delete your account. Please log in again and click here OK. So click here and so my account and to log in your Facebook account you need to first confirm your identity, get started. So nothing here because delete my account and after 14 days permanently delete, and so this time my account has been deactivated. So you should so wait some time. So this information. Thanks for watching my video. Okay, Allah Hafiz.